Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are currently in the process of building the ultimate home office, or perhaps you are a small business owner looking to upgrade your company's outdated workstations, you already know how incredibly overwhelming it can be to choose the right computer. There are literally thousands of options out there on Amazon right now, all promising different things. But today, we are going completely in depth on a machine that has been generating a massive amount of buzz lately. I'm talking about the brand new Dell 2026 Tower PC ECT1250 desktop computer. This isn't just another standard, boring black box that sits under your desk collecting dust while struggling to open basic applications. Dell has specifically engineered this tower for the modern, fast-paced era of productivity, integrating cutting-edge hardware with the absolute latest software innovations. We are talking about a 14th generation Intel Core i3 processor, next-level DDR5 memory, Windows 11 Pro right out of the box, and native integration with Microsoft's incredibly powerful Copilot AI. Whether you are a software developer writing complex code, a business professional managing massive spreadsheets and client databases, or just someone who wants a lightning-fast, ultra-reliable computer for everyday home use, this Dell Tower is designed to handle it all without breaking a single sweat. In this video, I'm going to break down every single specification, discuss exactly what this machine does exceptionally well, talk honestly about who this is really meant for, and help you decide if it is the right investment for your personal setup. And as always, if you want to check the current pricing on Amazon, read user reviews, or pick one up for yourself, I have put a direct affiliate link right at the top of the description below. Using that link is a fantastic way to support the channel at absolutely no extra cost to you. Alright, let's go ahead and dive right into the review. Design, dimensions, and build quality. Let's start by looking at the physical design and the footprint of the Dell ECT1250. When you are setting up a workspace, the physical size of your computer matters a whole lot more than people realize. You want power, but you don't want a massive machine taking up half your desk. This model features a very classic, highly professional computer tower design. The exact dimensions come in at 12.76 inches tall, 6.06 inches wide, and 11.53 inches deep. What I really love about these specific dimensions is that it strikes the absolute perfect balance. It is compact enough that you can proudly display it right on top of your desk without it dominating your entire workspace, but it is also sturdy and well ventilated enough to be tucked away underneath your desk out of sight if you prefer a cleaner aesthetic. The overall look is exactly what you would expect from Dell computers: clean, minimalist, and incredibly professional. It blends seamlessly into a corporate office environment just as well as it fits into a cozy, creative home study. Now, let's talk about connectivity and hardware interfaces, because a desktop is really only as useful as the things you can plug into it. Dell has done a fantastic job of giving you a massive variety of ports, so you never have to buy annoying dongles or adapters. On the front and rear panels, you are getting an excellent array of options. For your video output, you have both HDMI and DisplayPort, which we will talk more about in a minute. For your peripherals, you get multiple standard USB ports, legacy USB 2.0 ports for older devices like legacy printers or wired scanners, a built-in media card reader, which is an absolute lifesaver for photographers and videographers transferring files, and a hardwired Ethernet port for maximum internet stability. Crucially, they have also included a modern USB Type-C port, which is an absolute must-have in 2026 for fast charging your smartphone or connecting high-speed external solid-state drives. Moving inside the case, let's talk about the engine driving this entire system. Powering the Dell 2026 Tower is the incredibly efficient 14th generation Intel Core i3 14100 processor. Now, I want to pause here for a second. Sometimes people hear the phrase Core i3 and they immediately associate it with the sluggish, budget processors from a decade ago. Let me be very, very clear. The 14th generation Intel Core i3 series is an absolute powerhouse for multitasking and everyday efficiency. This specific CPU features 4 physical cores, a 12-megabyte cache memory to keep your most used applications ready to launch instantly, and a base processor speed that boosts up to a very snappy 3.5 GHz. It sits on the highly reliable LGA1200 socket, meaning the internal architecture is highly optimized for stability and long-term performance. But the real magic of this processor comes to life when you combine it with the software. This PC is fully equipped for the AI revolution. With Microsoft Copilot AI baked directly into the operating system, this computer actually learns and adapts to your specific workflow over time. If you're a developer, Copilot can help you auto-complete code snippets, debug pesky errors in real time, or suggest more efficient programming pathways. If you're a business user, you can use the AI to instantly summarize long, boring PDF reports, draft highly professional emails in a matter of seconds, or analyze complex data trends in Excel using simple conversational text prompts. Having this level of artificial intelligence processing power on your desk is literally like having a digital assistant working alongside you every single day, dramatically increasing your productivity and saving you hours of manual work every single week. Next-generation RAM and storage solutions. To make sure that the 14th generation Intel processor and the Copilot AI run as smoothly as possible, Dell has equipped this specific configuration with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. This is easily one of the biggest selling points of this entire machine. A lot of desktops currently sold on Amazon are still trying to get away with using older DDR4 memory to save costs and maximize their profit margins. DDR5 is the absolute latest generation of memory technology. It is significantly faster, it offers much higher data bandwidth, and it actually consumes less power while doing so. With 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory installed, you can comfortably have dozens of heavy Google Chrome tabs open, stream 4K video, run intensive accounting software, and participate in a Zoom call all simultaneously without experiencing a single freeze or stutter. And if you're worried about future-proofing your investment, you'll be highly satisfied to know that the motherboard supports a maximum RAM size of up to 64 gigabytes. So, as your business grows or your computing needs become much more demanding over the next few years, you can easily open up the case and drop in more memory. For your storage needs, this unit comes standard with a 256GB PCIe solid-state drive or SSD. If you've never used a computer with a modern PCIe SSD before, you are going to be completely blown away by the speed. Your Windows 11 operating system will boot up from a completely powered-off state in a matter of seconds. Your heavy applications will snap open instantly. While 256 gigabytes is a great starting point for storing your essential software, documents, and operating system files, the system's memory storage capacity can be officially expanded up to a massive 1 terabyte. This allows you plenty of room to add a secondary drive later if you realize you need to store massive 4K video files, extensive raw photo libraries, or large business databases locally rather than paying for cloud storage. Graphics, display capabilities, and networking. Next up, let's discuss the visual experience. This desktop utilizes Intel UHD730 as its graphics coprocessor. Because this is shared graphics memory built directly into the processor rather than a dedicated, expensive graphics card, I want to set the right expectations right now. This is not a high-end 3D gaming PC. If your primary goal is to play graphically intense video games on ultra settings, this is not the tower for you, and you should look into a dedicated gaming rig instead. However, for its stated specific uses, business, software development, and everyday productivity, the Intel UHD730 is absolutely stellar. It natively supports external monitor resolutions of 4K and above. Because you have both HDMI and DisplayPort on the back, you can effortlessly set up a dual monitor workstation right out of the box. Imagine the productivity boost of having your email and communication apps on one stunning 4K screen, while your primary work, coding environment, or spreadsheets are open on a second 4K screen. The text clarity is incredibly crisp, which goes a long way in reducing eye fatigue when you're staring at screens for 8 to 10 hours a day. In terms of keeping you connected to the outside world, Dell has integrated both Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth technology. Wi-Fi 6 ensures that you are getting gigabit speed, highly stable wireless internet, which means no more dropped video calls or lagging remote presentations.
and the Bluetooth connectivity allows you to seamlessly pair your wireless headphones, external speakers, or mobile devices without cluttering your clean desk with unnecessary tangled cables. Finally, we absolutely have to talk about the user experience out of the box. This machine comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro. I cannot overstate how important the Pro version is over the standard Home. Windows 11 Pro provides enterprise-grade security, including BitLocker encryption, to ensure your highly sensitive business data is completely locked down, and remote desktop capabilities so you can access this tower from your laptop while you are traveling. And Dell makes this a complete package by including the human interface input devices right in the box. You get a reliable Dell keyboard and mouse included, making this a true plug-and-play experience the second you unbox it. You also get a 1-year manufacturer warranty from Dell computers for complete peace of mind. Currently, this Dell ECT1250 model has an early rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon from the first batch of customer reviews, and it's quickly climbing the ranks, currently sitting at number 241 in Tower Computers. The few negative reviews mostly stem from people who simply didn't read the specifications and tried to use it as a gaming rig, but for